So, hello there. No, we are not trying to hack Google. So, in this video concept, we know about basic advanced Google search. So, what is Google designed to do? What does Google do? Google queries, the limits. 32 words. Google Advanced Search is a more detailed method of finding information on Google. It uses a variety of Google search operations that consists of spatial characters, and spatial commands, also known as advanced operators that goes beyond normal Google search. Google Advanced Search lets you cut through internet clutter, and there's no shortage of clutter on the internet to zero in on exactly the search result you are looking for. So let's check. If we search Google Advanced Search, there's some option. Google Advanced Search. How can you use this feature? Now come to setting. Here is Advanced Search option. You can search here. Just have a look. Advanced Search option. This exact word phrase, any of these words, narrow result, languages, regional last update, site domain, file type, say search, terms and appearing, all the options you find. Let's write World Web. So you can find any result, World Web, you can find each and every result. So basic operators. So single word versus combining words using the colon, Boolean operators, spatial characters, Batman, Dark Knight. It's just example. Dark Knight, semicolon, Batman, Batman and Dark Knight. Under the surface, the Dark Knight and spatial character carry a hyphen. For anyone that's been doing SEO for a while, Google Advanced Search Operators, special commands that make regular searches. Google search operators are like secret cheat codes that help you to get more relevant search results. You still type your search into the Google search bar, but with search operators, you add a bit of text that turns into shorthand for special instructions about the search. This, for example, when gauging the amount of content dedicated to a specific topic, you can filter out 90% of less focused content. Here's an advanced search operator that tells Google that you are looking for content on SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. Now have a look about advanced operators. Cache display Google's cached version. Link show a list of web pages that have links to your target. Related similar web pages. Related similar web pages. Information view information Google has on the target site limits results to just the domain listed. With just one advanced search, you go from 730 million results. It's unbelievable. 700. Have a look. This I just search a critical thing in Google, advanced search. You search MSN, Windows, Live Search, Bing Search, and MSN. Find pages that contain certain keywords. Find course and force accurate results for long tail keywords. Just anything type hacking word. By the help of advanced operators, you find accurate result you want. Find out the Google is categorized your site quickly, gauge the competitives of long tail keywords, find sites that have a specific keyword in the URL, advanced options, all in title, limits results to these websites with all the search words in the title, then link in title, limits result to documents that contain the search word in the title, all in URL, limits results to find all search words in the URL. So that's it for today.